Our liver is a fascinating organ, performing almost 200 different functions. I mean, it can even regenerate itself in only 2 weeks after getting half of the tissues from the donor. Now, in this lecture, we will be studying the histology of this fascinating organ, so you're fully equipped for your exams. Before getting into the details, let us recall some more important facts about the liver. So, liver is the second largest organ of the body after the skin. It is also the major glandular organ in the body and weighs about 1.5 kilograms. Talking about the location of this fascinating organ. It is present in the upper right quadrant of the body in the right hypochondrium, and some portion of the liver lies in the epigastric region. Now, as we all know that our liver is a multitasking organ performing multiple jobs, but we will discuss its chief functions. The first one is the production of the bile, which is a fluid that helps in digestion of complex fatty acids. The second function is the carbohydrate and protein metabolism. The third one is the excretion of bilirubin. It occurs as a result of breakdown of red blood cells. Excretion of cholesterol is also observed in liver. In addition to that, it performs the function of storage of glycogen, vitamins, and minerals required for daily life functioning. So it acts as a storage box. The last function is the synthesis of the plasma proteins and the clotting factors responsible for blood clotting. To memorize these multiple functions, we can use word big mess, where B stands for bile production, M stands for metabolism, E stands for excretion, S stands for storage, and another S stands for synthesis. Right here we have an image of human liver. Let us locate its major parts together. So, the liver comprises of 2 lobes classified on the basis of their function. The first one is the right lobe, and its function is the processing of the blood coming out of the pancreas, pylorus of the stomach. Then we have our left lobe, which processes the blood coming from gastrointestinal area, and the right lobe is separated from left lobe by falciform ligament. The pink color blood vessel that you can see in this image is the hepatic artery, which brings oxygenated blood to the liver, which is connected to the aorta. And then just parallel to hepatic artery, we have hepatic portal vein, which carry venous blood from the spleen and intestines into the liver. Once there, the liver can process the nutrients from the blood and filter out any toxic substances it contains before the blood goes back into general circulation. The last structure we have is the common bile duct. As its name indicates, it functions for carrying bile from the gallbladder and the liver into the duodenum, or the last part of small intestine. Here you can see a pear-shaped organ. This is your gallbladder, which is attached with your liver. It is a small organ that stores and releases bile. Bile helps to digest the fatty acids in the small intestine. Fun fact that you can absolutely lead a perfect life without a gallbladder, as your liver can also secrete enough bile. Now, moving ahead, we will learn more about the types of cells in the liver and all the small structures present inside it that all work together to make it fascinating. So stay tuned with us.